Today we're preparing the belt loops. You should have one piece cut for the belt loops because just one is enough. And then just iron it out just a bit and then fold the belt loop in half lengthwise with the wrong sides together and press it. So just fold it in half with the wrong side in and the right side out and just press it. And what you're going to do next is just the same as if you would be making bias tape, but this strip of fabric is not cut on the bias. So just open it out, and now you fold the two outer edges in towards the center crease and press it again. So it's just like making bias tape. So go on and fold the outer edges towards the center, towards the crease, and press. And do this along the entire fabric. The next step is to fold the entire thing in half along the first fold so that the two outer edges are now enclosed, and press. So just fold it down and press well. Now we're going to edge stitch here along both folded edges with top stitching thread. So just place it in the machine and edge stitch along the open edge first so that you close this tape all the way down, and then you move to the other side, to the other edge, and edge stitch along the other edge. It's all top stitched on one side and the other side is now the wrong side. So now you are going to cut the finished piece into 6 equal pieces. So the sizes here can vary. For the smaller sizes up to 7 years, you can cut the strips into 3 inches long strips. So 7.5 centimeters, 3 inches. For the bigger sizes, for sizes 8 to 14 years old, you can cut them at 3 1/4 inches or 8 centimeters long. So you will have 6 pieces, 6 equal pieces, and then you will have 1 or 2 small pieces left over that you won't need it. And here are all the 6 pieces. Now, to place this on the pants, you are going to align the belt loops with the notches that are on the pants. You are going to put the belt loops right sides together with the pants. So you will find 2 notches in the front, right next to the front pockets. So place 1 loop on each side with the right side down and just pin it. Then you will have other 2 notches on the back. So on the sides, you have 1 notch on each side close to the side seam. Just pin your belt loops there too, right side down. And the final 2 notches are on the center back seam. So find those notches and pin the belt loops there. You will note here that the notches are not centered with the top stitching on the center back, but they are centered with the center back seam. So that is what matters. You will have one belt loop really close to the top stitching and the other one a bit farther away, because the center back seam, which is here, is the real center of the pants. So the belt loops are equally distanced from the center back seam. Now just baste them in place and you're all done.